What if all human emotions were suppressed by a global government, erasing joy, love, and sorrow from our lives, turning society into a cold mechanical existence? In this world, the government enforces strict rules using technology to monitor and control every individual's feelings, ensuring compliance and conformity. Children are educated to view emotions as a weakness, taught to value logic over feelings, leading to a generation raised without the ability to connect or empathize. Yet in the shadows, a resistance forms, individuals who remember the warmth of laughter and the pain of heartbreak, seeking to restore the lost hues of emotion to their drab existence.